Does this sound familiar? You have 50 open tabs, a bunch of half-finished notes, and you have no idea where to begin. Most people try to learn more by reading more, but learning without purpose and structure just makes you feel overwhelmed. Personally, my problem was always that I read a lot but never did anything. I wanted to do something with all the knowledge that I was gathering, but it was just living in my head, and as a result, everything just evaporated instead. Now, I'm going to show you the exact system I wish I had in university. Something that turns your scattered ideas into a web of knowledge that actually makes you smarter over time. Something that lets you store what you learn in a way that your future self can benefit from. Now, Zettelkasten is the name of this system, and it's not only a writing tool, but an external thinking system. By externalizing your knowledge into connected notes, you can think through complex problems more effectively than you can in your head alone. Seeing ideas laid out and linked makes patterns visible and helps you combine concepts in new ways. In this sense, Zettelkasten functions as an extension of your mind. The power of an external thinking system comes from trusting it to hold ideas so that your mind doesn't have to. When memory is no longer used as storage, it becomes available for judgment, creativity, and synthesis. This shift alone dramatically improves thinking quality. Now, a Zettelkasten fundamentally differs from how most people are thought to write or take notes. Traditionally, writing is approached top-down. You either start by outlining an essay and then filling it in from beginning to end, or you decide on a topic in advance, create folders or categories for that topic, and collect notes inside them. Both approaches assume that you already know what you're working towards and how the pieces fit together. This works for short, well-defined projects, but it limits flexibility and makes knowledge harder to reuse later. Now, catching ideas, this is what creates value out of thin air. Writing makes thoughts real, in a sense. Once visible, they can be examined, questioned, and refined. I've made the mistake of waiting until the ideas are ready. Grab them while they are incomplete and just refine them later. Capturing ideas is like storing coins in a piggy bank, and then linking these ideas together is like investing money in an index fund. Each new node can connect to multiple existing nodes, triggering new insights and ideas. Connection between ideas is what creates the compounding effect. Now, Zettelkasten only needs two things to work. One, self-contained notes stored in one central location, and second, a system for linking your notes together. And that's it. Personally, I only use three types of Zettelkasten notes: atomic notes, connection notes, and work notes. An atomic note is a single idea written clearly in your own words so that it can stand on its own without additional context. The same note can be used in an essay today, next year, or decades from now. It is the key that unlocks the system. Each note captures one concept and is designed to be understandable even when read in isolation. Connection notes act as bridges between nodes in the broader knowledge network. They contain links to the interlinked nodes and explain the nature of the connection so that links become enriched with meaning and the reason for connection is preserved. Connecting ideas to each other is the core mechanic that makes Zettelkasten so powerful. Every new node is linked to one or more existing nodes that relate to it conceptually. You can also return to older nodes later and link them together once you notice a connection. The result is not a hierarchy or folder tree, but a web of ideas. This web allows your thinking to grow organically and makes it easier to discover relationships between concepts that you wouldn't have planned in advance. To help with linking nodes, you can use something called the Zettelkasten connection compass. Now, north on this compass is the question, where does this idea come from? South is, where does this idea lead? West is, what is this idea similar to? And east, what is this idea opposite of or very different from? By using these questions, you can figure out more connections to each note that you write. Now, work notes are the final node type, and these are the creation spaces. These are used as construction sites where relevant nodes can be assembled and edited into the final structure. Great thinking is not produced by waiting for better ideas, but by systematically capturing, refining, and recombining existing ones. Zettelkasten turns consistency into leverage by giving your thoughts a home to mingle and multiply. If you want to learn a real basic setup for your own Zettelkasten system in Notion, check out this video.